Oh, I didn't move the timer to 3 minutes and 30. That's fine. Change it for the next one. Alright, let's see, kids, gonna take it easy. I think there's only 2 left in the playground. I see people walking toward the edge of the street, not here, but oh, so nice that I don't see any streaks on the screen. It's bothering so bad. I was trying not to get annoyed, but jeez. Little flutter of noise in the before I put the filter on. I should look into the old videos before when I changed the VTX to see if it was always there, and it took me a while to notice it because the video range was great, so I probably got distracted into like ooh range until I lost track of ooh black lines on the streak on the screen. Not great. Or just something went wrong at some point. I don't know. I mean, at this point I fixed it, but still. Interesting to see if it was one of those things that once you start paying attention, you're like, oh shit, now I can't unsee it, and it's going to be annoying. And it was. I mean, I am beating the crap out of the battery, so I'm not, especially power loops do take a bunch of, or it's pretty aggressive on the, especially in the beginning of it, so don't blame the batteries for eventually giving out. No, actually this, yeah, not really. 330 at least, not bad. Freshly charged, that is kind of low, but again, not going easy on the batteries either, so. Yeah, I'm gonna make it a 4. Yeah, that's not too bad. So this pack at least is more toward the normal side. I'll change it to 345. What?